creating a new website. This is a car detailing slash marketing sales and car detailing website. The name of the website is cardetailingkit.com. Car detailing kit, it's going to have it's going to help car details with sales and marketing tools so that they can have more clients, do more business, expand their business to more cities, expand their presence, do monthly promotions, get more detailing jobs every month. So that's why we're providing them with a lot of tools and a lot of tools for marketing and also for sales through a software that we have particularly for car detailing. That's why we're launching Car Detailing Kit. Now, if you are a marketing agency, if you are really in marketing at all, even if you're marketing your own business, say you're in car detailing and you want to market your car detailing business, even if you're a marketing agency and you want to get some traffic going to your website about some of the topics that you discussed in your website, in your social media, anything that you think it's relevant to bring new clients. You want to create relevant content. And guess what? You don't have to be a great writer, a great copywriter to produce relevant content because we're in 2024. Who is not using ChatGPT right now? Raise your hands. If there's someone who's still not using ChatGPT, let me know why. What are you waiting for? I'm not saying that you have to take whatever ChatGPT gives you word by word, but it's a big help. So we, in our agency, we use it all the time. Right now, because we're launching this new website called Car Detailing Kit, we want to bring relevant traffic related to car detailing. So we want to go ahead and create a blog post. I'm going to go to ChatGPT, and this is the process. This is what I do. So you guys can use it as an example if you think it's going to be helpful for you. Here's my website. I go to ChatGPT, chat.openai.com, and here we have a way to type in a prompt. I want to create an article, so I'm going to say, can you create a guide for mobile car detailing essential kit for starting your mobile detailing business? Because I'm right now with this article, I want to target mobile car detailing, your mobile detailing business. So here's what I have so far. I'm in ChatGPT. I'm telling ChatGPT to help me create a guide for mobile car detailing essential kit for starting your mobile detailing business. And let's go ahead and just hit enter with that prompt. That's a very generic prompt. I haven't thought too much about it, but we can fine tune it. So let's go ahead and just hit enter and see what ChatGPT has for us. It's populating the response right now. And let's do a quick overview. Starting a mobile car detailing business requires careful planning and the right tools to ensure you deliver high-quality services to your customers. Here's a guide for assembling your mobile car detailing essential kit. Vehicle. You'll need a reliable vehicle to transport your equipment and travel to your clients. Choose a van, a truck, or SUV, etc. Water supply. Ensure you have access to water for washing and rinsing vehicles. You may consider investing in a portable water tank. Cleaning products. Car wash soap. A high-quality car wash soap that effectively removes dirt and grime without damaging the vehicle's paint. So if you notice, what has ChatGPT given us so far? It's a very generic guide about some of the broad tools or kit that a mobile car detailing person would need for his business. Now, let's try and push a little bit harder. And I'm going to say, can you expand the article with a few examples of products under each one of those categories. Let's see if ChatGPT is capable of doing this. Oh, there you go. Perfect. It's doing it. So that's what we want. We want to go beyond generic, and we want to make sure our guide, our blog post, our article, our page, anything, whatever we're creating, has as much detail as possible. So let's see what the difference is now. Certainly, here's some examples of products you can consider for each category. For vehicle, for example, you could do the Ford Transit Connect. For Chevrolet, or you could do the Chevrolet Express Cargo Van, the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter. Water supply, a portable water tank. You can use the Camco Reno Heavy Duty Water Tank. And for polishing wax, you can do Mothers California Gold Pure Brazilian Carnauba Wax. Car wax, you can do the Meguiar's Ultimate Liquid Wax, etc. So this is perfect. So let's go ahead so that we don't struggle and say, okay, thanks. Incorporate those examples to the original article so that it's all listed in one. Okay, perfect. So now it's recreating the article again, but it's incorporating all the examples that ChatGPT provided, right? Perfect. Here we go. So let me see. Let's compare this one to the first one. Clothes, water. Okay, perfect. All right. So we could continue to enhance it by saying now, can you make sure that this article is SEO optimized for the keyword? Now let's pick the keyword that we want this article to rank for on Google. So I'm going to select, let's think about it for a second. Can you make sure that this article is SEO optimized for the keyword mobile car detailing kit to start a business? Because again, what I'm trying to achieve here, and this is how you pick the keyword, is I'm trying to create an article that anybody who's trying to start a mobile car detailing business can use as a reference for what car detailing kit they could be using. Okay, perfect. So here it is. ChatGPT supposedly optimized the article for that keyword. You could use common sense, read through the article, make sure that that keyword is mentioned. Let's say starting a mobile car detailing business requires careful planning and the right tools to ensure you deliver high quality services to your customers. Here's a comprehensive guide for assembling your essential mobile car detailing kit to kickstart your business. Perfect. All right. So another thing that I like to see in the article, and this I'm going to do manually. So for right now, we could continue to add prompts to ChatGPT to keep enhancing the article. For example, just so that you get an idea, in case you're short of ideas. So, can you add a title and section for the most important car detailing kit if you are concentrating mainly in ceramic coatings? Certainly. So essential mobile car detailing kit to start a business. Here comes with the article again. And it added a section for ceramic coating kit. Here it is. Ceramic coating kit. Ceramic coating opts for high quality ceramic coatings like CarPro Z-Quartz or this one, applicator pads, microfiber towels. And guys, if you are in car detailing, or if you're doing for your own, if you're doing this for your own business, you could modify some of what ChatGPT just gave you and use your own knowledge. This is not meant for you to just copy and paste it exactly as is. It's meant for you to have a structure that will facilitate, that will make easier your blog post. How many minutes have we been working on this? Just a few minutes. So now, if I go here and I go on my dashboard and I go on posts and I go ahead and add a new post and I paste it right here, the title, Essential Mobile Car Detailing Kit to Start Your Business. And then I'm not going to use this as is. You could if you wanted to, nothing wrong with it. But I'm going to modify it because what we do here at Map Ranking, in my agency, we do SEO. And if you are an agency owner and you're doing this yourself, I would imagine you want to keep improving the article a little bit. Spend a few more minutes working on it. Maybe it takes you 10, 15 minutes, but the advantages will be rewarded because you're going to get more traffic to your website or your client's website. So, for example, I'm going to go ahead and remove this list. And I'm going to say here, instead of just vehicle, I'm going to say starter vehicle for a mobile car detailing business. I'm going to make sure that that title is an H2, and then here comes the answer or the description. So now I'm going to say water supply, and then instead of just water supply, I'm going to say water supply options for a mobile car detailing business. Because I like my headlines to be more descriptive, I like them to be an H2 tag, and that makes them easier to read by the person reading this article. It breaks your article into relevant sections. Maybe they're more interested in learning about the water supply options more than the vehicle. Maybe they already have a vehicle. So this is, for me, this is essential when you're creating an article. Let's say cleaning products. I don't like just to, I wouldn't want to just do cleaning products. So I would say something like, let's see, cleaning products, car wash, mobile car detail, essential kit, cleaning. I'm gonna do cleaning products, mobile car detailing essential kit. And then I'm going to make this again a headline. This will go. And then if you notice inside cleaning products, mobile car detailing essential kit, there is a couple of different options. Car wash soap, all-purpose cleaners, glass cleaner, tire and wheel cleaner. Obviously, they are all important for mobile car detailing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and start making all these different categories inside the cleaning products. I'm going to go ahead and start making them a title of its own. So car wash soap will be an H3 tag. It's important in SEO that you know what the correct structure is. The title should be H2. The main title of the article should be an H1. Then subtitles inside the article should be an H2. And then inner sections of that subtitle should be an H3. So car wash soap should be an H3 tag, as you can see right here. all-purpose cleaning. Let me go ahead. And remove this. Then all-purpose cleaner will be also, again, an H3 tag because it belongs to the category cleaning products. That's already an H2. So we're going to continue doing this for each one of these internal sections that we have inside cleaning products. This is, again, an H3. Okay, so tire and wheel cleaner also, we're going to make it an H3 tag. Interior detailing products, we're also going to make it an H3 tag. And you get the idea. So just like that, you should continue structuring your article correctly. There will be more content about how to structure, what's the correct structure for an article, how to enter your H1, H2, H3 tags, etc. But one thing that I want to leave you with before I close this, this video is that you're not done yet. So basically, what I would do now is expand a little bit more on each one of these subtopics. If you notice car wash soap, opted for trusted brand like my gears called car wash, I would explain more about how you should be choosing between one soap and the other, or what are some other options that are available, what are the most economic, what are the ones with best reviews. There's a lot more that you can add to this article that will make it a lot more useful for the person who is reading it, and therefore Google will reward you and bring you more traffic to your website. Finally, you do publish, publish, and you're all done. You just publish your first, I just published my first article on car detailing, mobile car detailing kit.